So recently I was playing Fallout 3, and in Fallout 3 I created a perfect character. So in the end I had every skill maxed out, every special maxed out, and so on. And one thing such a perfect character can of course do is hack terminals. Terminal hacking Fallout 3 is a little minigame, and I thought to myself, why should I play this little minigame and why not just write a program that can hack those terminals for me? Let's first talk about how hacking Fallout 3 works. So basically you have 4 attempts to guess the correct password. And every time you select one of the passwords, you get shown how many characters are currently correct. So from that you can deduce what is the right password. Furthermore, you can click on an opening bracket which has a corresponding closing bracket, and then you get either one word removed from the password list or you get your attempts replenished. So you have 4 attempts then again. Now, how can we solve this minigame with code? So first I went the software engineering route and tried to solve it legit with Python. But this didn't quite end that well. The idea of the Python script was that it takes screenshots and then PyTesseract uses those screenshots to get the information out of those screenshots, and then the script can use those information to solve the minigame. However, PyTesseract was sadly not reliable enough in this case, so it had a lot of misrecognitions and sometimes outputted just garbage or didn't recognize a word at all. Therefore, I couldn't really continue with that approach. So if getting the information directly from the screen is not reliable enough, how can we solve this minigame now? Well, we have still the option left to read directly from the process memory, and that's exactly what my second attempt was about. So I started up Cheat Engine and Fallout, and in Fallout I got to the terminal, and in Cheat Engine I searched for the different strings that get shown in the Fallout terminal. The basic idea behind that was that I wanted to get some consistent offsets which then I can use to get all the passwords reliable and then solve the minigame normally. However, after toying a bit around with Cheat Engine, I noticed something special. To every password there was one pointer pointing towards the password, except for one password which had 2 pointers pointing towards it. Turns out this is the correct password. So now we know how to find the correct password with Cheat Engine. However, we want a consistent way with maybe a Python script or a C++ program to find the correct password. For that I used the Cheat Engine pointer scan feature to find the correct offsets that we later can use to get the password. In the end, to get the correct password, we first need to read from the memory to get the pointer pointing towards our solution pointer, and then we just need to dereference our solution pointer and we get the right password. So now that we know how to get the correct password reliable, we just need to codify it. And for that I used C++. I used C++ because I already have a memory reading and writing class, and that made it a lot easier to implement it. First I had problems wrapping my head around the additional layer of indirection as mentioned previously, but after that we now have a final and a working solution. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next one.